In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and publish an ebook on Gumroad from scratch. First, head to the Gumroad website and sign in. Once you're in, go to your dashboard, which is your main control center. From there, click on Products to see everything you've created so far. To add something new, choose New Product. This opens the setup flow where you'll enter the basics that define what you're selling. Start by inputting the name of your product, the product type, and the price. Keep the name clear and searchable, and pick the most accurate type so Gumroad can present it appropriately. Set an initial price that reflects the value of your ebook. If you're undecided, don't worry, you'll be able to adjust it again later. Click Next to move forward. Now add a description for your product. Think of this as your pitch. Explain what the ebook covers, who it's for, and what readers will gain. Keep it concise but persuasive. You can also add a custom URL for your product, which makes your link easier to share. A short, memorable URL is best. This is a great time to upload a cover and a thumbnail. Use high-quality images that clearly represent your ebook. Your cover is the first impression, so make it professional and readable at a glance. In the product info section, fill in any additional details that help buyers understand what they're getting, such as format notes or key highlights. If you want to adjust your pricing, you can set your price again here. You can also add variations if it applies to your product. This is helpful if you offer different versions, like a basic ebook and a bundle with extra materials. Next, toggle the settings you need. These switches control options like purchase behavior and visibility, so choose what aligns with your goals. If you have a branded website, you can also add your custom domain, which helps keep your checkout experience consistent with your brand. Once those details are set, scroll up and go to the content section. This is where you upload your ebook file. Make sure the file name is clean and the format is exactly what you want buyers to receive. When everything looks good, click on Publish and Continue, and you're done. Your ebook is now live and ready for customers. That's the entire process, from setup to publication, made simple and smooth.